Hi guys, I'm Chef Pooja Dhingra. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is my 5-ingredient brown butter cookie. It is extremely simple, it's eggless, and you only need 5 ingredients. Let's do this. Start with my butter in a saucepan. I'm using regular salted butter because that's what I like, and we just melt this down till it browns. So my butter is nice brown. I usually like to strain this. You can strain this, refrigerate it. Next, I'm going to add my brown sugar to this. It's still quite warm, so we'll whisk it for about a minute or so till it cools down. And now I'm going to add my flour. This is sifted. Just gently whisk it in. This is what your batter consistency will look like. In my bowl, my 3 ingredients, I've got my butter, my sugar and my flour. Now I have my 2 ingredients left, which is my water and my baking soda. So now this is what the batter looks like so far. What we're going to do is boil this water, pour it over our soda and mix it in. That's going to bind our dough together. Okay, so I'm going to pour this here. Take hot water and we fold it together to form our cookie dough. This is our cookie dough. It's ready. It's come together beautifully. I'm going to let it rest in the fridge for half an hour and then we're going to shape it and bake it. My brown butter dough is out of the fridge and now I'm just going to make small balls with this, well, medium size laddus. Put it here and just press it down. Slightly. I like cookies when they're misshapen, when they look homemade, handmade, that they don't look like they've come from a machine. Personally, I prefer each cookie having its own identity. So I bake these cookies for about 15 minutes and I like my cookies to be slightly chunky. You can make them smaller, you can make them thinner, you can make them crisper. Completely up to you. You can add some cinnamon, you can add some chocolate chips. You can do a lot of things with them, but this is how I like them. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please make them, share them, tag me in them, and thank you. Happy baking.